are going to solve exercise 1 in maths, page number 5 and 6. So just look at open the book, page number 5, exercise number 1, question number 1, write in words. What is the number? 3849, that is 3849. 3, THREE, 3000, THOUSAND, thousand. 8, EIGHT, 8, 100, HUNDRED, 100, 40, FORTY, 40, 9, NINE. Next, 5308, 5308. There is 0 in the tens place. So 5, FIVE, 5000, THOUSAND, 300, HUNDRED, 100, 8, EIGHT. Next, 8074, 8074. There is 0 in the hundreds place. So 8, EIGHT, 8, 1000, THOUSAND, 1000, 70, SEVENTY, 74, FOUR, 4. Next, 7777, 7777, 7, SEVEN, 7000, THOUSAND, 1000, 700, HUNDRED, 100, 70, SEVENTY, 77, SEVEN. Next question, write in numeral form. Here they have given the names. We have to write the numbers in figures. What is the first one? 4370. 4 comes in thousands place, 3 in hundred place, and 20, 2 and 0 in ones place. 4000, 4320, 4320. Next, 7489. 7 hundreds place 4, 8, 9 means 7489. 7489. Third one, 1909. 1000, 1 in thousands place, 9 in hundred place, 0 in tens place, and 9. 1000, 1909. D, 8765. 8000, 8 in thousands place, 7 in hundred place, 6 in tens place, and 5. 8765. Now turn the page. Question 3. Write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. What is the number? 6827. 6000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 7. See, 6 is in thousands place. So 6000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 7. Next, 3000 plus 100 plus 70 plus 9. 3000 plus 100 plus 70 plus 9 means 9 in ones place. 8105. 8105. Next, 8000 plus 100 plus 0 in hundreds place and plus 5 in ones place. D, 4,180. 4,000 plus 100 plus 80 and plus 0 in one's place. Next question. Write in short form. They have given in the expanded form here. 3,456. 3456. 3,456. 7,000 plus 90 plus 8. 7,098. 7098. C. 4,220. 4,4220. Then 6,000 plus 5 means 6,005. Hundreds place 0, tens place 0 and units place ones place 5. 6,005. Next, fifth, fill in the blanks. The predecessor of 2000 is. What is the predecessor means less one. So when you 2000 minus 1 is 1999. Next, the successor of 3271, successor means you have to add 1. So 3271. Now what is the place value of 8 in 1278? 1278 is ones place 8. The place value of 7 in 7125 is 7000. And the place value of 0 in 2058 is 1000. The place value of 0 is 100. 100 is in the 0 is in the hundreds place. Now sixth question. Form the smallest and greatest 4-digit numbers using digit 4, 0, 2 and 1. Each only once. We have to use each only once. Now the smallest number. To make a smallest number, we will start from the smaller number. That is 1024. The smallest number is 1024. And what is the greatest number? The greatest number will come first. 4, 2, 1, 0. 4, 2, 1, 0. Next, arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means first will come the biggest number, biggest to smallest. Arrange in ascending order means smallest to biggest. So we will just find the smallest number here. First number is 4,217, second 4,315, third 4,035 and 4,479. The smallest is 4,035. Then comes 4,217, third 4,315 and last one is 4,479. You have to write in the ascending order. The next one 2,893, 2,983, 2,398, 2,978. Now first one will be 2000. Smallest is 2,398. Then comes 2,893. Then comes 2,978 and 2,983. This is ascending order, means smallest to bigger. Now eighth one, arrange in descending order. Here you have to write from biggest number to the smallest. First will be the biggest one. Arrange in descending order. 1,728, 7,128, 8,127, 2718. So the greatest number, now we have to write first the greatest. Descending order means first will come biggest number and the last will be smallest number. So which is the greatest here? 8127 first. Second, 7128. Then third number will be 2718 and the last number 1728. Next, arrange in descending order, biggest to smallest. Which is the biggest number here in all? See, the numbers are 9256, 9526, 9652 and 9729. So what will be the first one? 9729, then comes 9652, then comes 9526 and lastly 9256. Biggest to smaller, descending. Then ninth one, use the correct sign. We have to compare the numbers here. The first number is 1002 and the second number is 1020. So 1002 is smaller than 1020. Use the sign, smaller sign. B, 3540 and 3450. So this is greater now. Use the greater sign. 3540 is greater than 3450. Third, 8357 and 8357. Both the numbers are same. So what sign will come here? Equals. Next, 6825, 6827. So 6827 is smaller than 6827. 25 and 27. So 25 is smaller than 27. In this way you have to solve this exercise in the textbook as well as in the notebook and send me. Thank you.